What if a sudden blizzard turned a thrilling competition into a test of survival? In 1992, snowboarders gathered for the finals experienced this firsthand. As spectators watched, an unexpected blizzard unleashed its fury on the slopes. With visibility reduced to mere inches, athletes faced unprecedented challenges. Their determination illuminated the snow-laden course, as each boarder pushed boundaries through treacherous conditions. Despite the chaos, their unwavering spirit inspired spectators and cemented this event as a legendary tale of courage and resilience in snowboarding history.